What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and I've got another vlog video update. You know how I do. So I'm on the way to my favorite shop in the whole wide world. I've said it before, I'll say it 1,000 more times. J-Rod Speed Shop. And we're on the way to go handle a little bit of business. So I hope you stay tuned for the new updates, man. Let's go. So really the surprise I just wanted to show y'all was I got some keychains made for J-Rod Speed Shop, man. Just a little token for my appreciation for all they do for me. You can purchase them from them. But it's pretty dope. These are pretty dope. So I'm a surprise J-Rod again. It's somebody always working. It's somebody always working. Red-handed. Hey man, I just wanted to come surprise you with your very own.
Well, yeah, man. I'm just happy to see those. Check them out. It's that same website you showed me, right?
Yeah. Pretty dope. All right, guys. So what you've all been waiting for, hell, what I've been waiting for a long time. It's a nice ZR1. Shout out to CTS V3. This car's gonna be coming soon, man. Y'all check him out. But I'm freaking ecstatic. I know I had a lot of you guys trying to decide, what wheels I was getting. So I posted it. So some of you were right, some of you were wrong, and the wheels have finally come in. So without further ado, I'm gonna just do a little unboxing and then go from there. All right. All right, so here we go. I'm really ecstatic, man. Really excited. I've been waiting. All right, just make sure everything's right. You know what? I'm gonna have you do the honors. That
Tune in next week.
Oh yeah. Polished lip, polished stainless hardware, brush black tinted. So you can kind of see where it's black, but it's like you can see the machining under the black a little bit. So yeah. That's it, man. DC Ford, shout out to them. We're about to get these mounted soon. Check out the caps. That's nice. So there you have it, guys. DC Forge LE52, 18 by 11 on the rear, 18 by 9.5 on the fronts. Polish, dark brush black tint. And this is the LE52. Yes, sir. I'm digging it. Not too much, not too little. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. You know, I really liked the look that it had on originally. With the other wheels that I had, the Cosmos wheels, I think the look was perfect. So same thing, I kind of want to try to go with the same look. I was gonna do, maybe some gold rivets. I was gonna paint the back side of the lip. A couple of different options, but I just kind of went safe with it to keep the same look that I already had, and it's a classic styling. I know a lot of y'all like to go, bronze, gold, copper, weird, just weird little colors, but I'm gonna keep it classy, man. Keep it simple. Something that everybody can love, You really can't go wrong with a wheel like this. So if you hit up BC Forge and you want this set up, tell them No Chill Chad sent you. Man, they got a whole bunch of crazy color combinations, so I mean, every color you can freaking think of with a rainbow, they let you build it. And since we got all of that sorted out, now we have the one and only. I got the mobile difference showing up, man. They pretty much bring the tire shop to you. If you need like any type of wheel tire service, man, flat repairs, exotics, center locks, bead locks, these guys can handle it. I've used them before. You've probably seen them on Instagram somewhere, mounting some tires up. They're mobile, so they will come to your house anywhere across town and get you situated. And when I tell you they're the best that do it, they got experience and they're not gonna mess up your wheels, man. So here we got, like I said, we got the Toyo Proxies, we got the BC Forge. They're gonna get us straight today and get everything mounted up, man. Make sure y'all give them a follow. Instagram, Facebook, mobiledifference.com. Tell them No Chill Chad sent you. See this? Saran wrap. Protect your wheels. This isn't that $4.95 Mountain Balance here, guys. It's the real deal. Shout out to Toyo Tires, man. So dope. Get your BC Forge warranty card, man. 3 years after date of purchase, 1 year after date of purchase, full structure, finishes. So they definitely warranty your products. It's a nice thing to have right there, man. Gotta have a warranty, love a warranty. All right, so they finally got wheels and tires mounted. All right, guys, there you have it. You can see a little preview. But now that you see a preview, it's time to go ahead and mount them up on the car. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just mount the wheels up on the car, make sure the fitment's cool, make sure everything looks good, looks flush. Then I need to drive the car to the shop so that we can add the brakes. So I'm letting you see everything piece by piece. You've seen the wheels now, you've seen the tires, you've seen the brakes, but I'm gonna wait to put it all together before I let you see the wheels on the car. Even though I'm about to put them on the car now, I wanna wait till the brakes get on before I let the world see. So, I guess you gotta just put it in your head, kind of envision how it's gonna look, but I'll reveal the complete look probably in a couple of days. Like I said, we gotta get the car into the shop. But yeah, man, I'm stoked. Shout out BC Forge, shout out Toyo Tires, shout out to Baer Brakes, for real, big up to them. Holly Performance, make sure you check those out. Make sure you just follow, subscribe, like, comment, hit me up. Let me know if you have any questions, any concerns. Let me know what you want to see on the next video. Tell me what you think about the wheels, whatever it may be, man. But we definitely finna bring it, man. This is definitely gonna be one of my favorite builds to date. I hope it's gonna be a favorite build to you guys as well, man. Shout out to J-Rod as well. Y'all take it easy.